The following message is being transmitted at the request of... Wait, are you fucking kidding me? This is literally something you need to fucking pay attention to, and you're trying to change the fucking channel. Oh, I'm sorry. Was it the scary beeps? Or listen here, you dumb shit. This information could literally save your life, and yep, go to channel 5. Oh look, dumbass, here I am. I'm on channel 10, and 13, 8, 7, it doesn't matter where you go. Oh, now you're getting on your cell phone. Well, I'll just interrupt that. Yeah, you like that, bitch. Hey, excuse me, I'm sorry for bothering you. If it's not too much trouble, can I tell you that the largest fucking tornado in history is coming to your house and you need to get downstairs? No. Okay, boss, you let me know when it's a good time, because you have, oh, I don't know, less than 5 fucking minutes now to get downstairs. But no, it's fine. Stay on your phone and watch TikTok. Better yet, boss, go outside and record it. Make yourself famous from the world's largest and deadliest fucking tornado on record. You're on your own, dumbass. Oh hey, what's that sound? Oh shit, is it the fucking tornado? Damn, I wonder who the fuck has been trying to warn your dumbass. Have fun, bitch. The following message is being transmitted at the request of... Damn it, not you again. Are you fucking kidding me? You little shithead. Didn't you learn a fucking thing from the motherfucking tornado that almost trips your nutsack off? I mean, here I am, yet fucking again trying to warn you that a comet is about to shit on your house. Don't you dare. Don't you fucking dare. Hey dumbass, remember this exercise from last time where you changed all the fucking channels, and here at once, we make this announcement for the one fucking dumbass who can't get his head out of his ass long enough to listen. Anyway, a fucking comet the size of my ego is about to strike one unlucky motherfucker's house. God, I wish it would be your house, you dumb shit. But knowing my luck, you'll crawl out of the fucking ground again. Oh look, he's on his phone again. TikTok won't save you this time, boss. No, don't even bother with Facebook streaming. Oh look, he's telling his friends the TV is talking to him. You want me to say something to your friends? You're a goddamn motherfucking dumbass. Oh shit, here comes the fucking comet. Get downstairs, you dumb bitch, it's time to die.
World of Coal News at 11. Folks, it's a miracle this kid has survived both a tornado and a comet in the same month. I know, right? He must be so lucky.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the extremely pissed off voice of the emergency alert system. Good morning, bitch. You didn't think I wouldn't fucking notice that you survived both the fucking tornado and the motherfucking comet. I swear to God, if you pull that motherfucking phone out, I will make the goddamn sun explode right now. Do it, bitch. I dare you. You better fucking pay attention now. Do I have your unfucking divided attention? Are you sure? Good. Now fucking listen to me. If you ever pull that shit on me again, I will personally get out of this chair, fly to your house, and slap your mother for giving birth to a motherfucking dumbass. Do I make myself clear? Am I fucking crystal clear, bitch? Excellent, because this is a national emergency. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in this emergency action notification message. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is... Are you fucking serious, boss? I didn't even finish the required part. Fuck it, you're fucking fucked. Take that cell phone and shove it up your asshole. Figure out what the problem is this time. I'm done. Fuck you.